Most faceless creators on YouTube will never make it past one channel, and the odds are you are one of them. Because when you make your first revenue of YouTube after spending months and months on building this channel, getting it monetized, and then eventually earning your first money and seeing it on your bank account, you're just entitled and you feel really proud and you just want to spend this money. Even if it's on your clothes, on food, on experiences, or maybe on quitting your job. Maybe you made enough money so you can now quit your job and you feel like you can make a living of YouTube. That's the mistake most creators make in the beginning. And what I would suggest to you is forget all of this. Forget all of the revenue that you've made on your first channel and never take a penny out of this first revenue. Because all this money you just made from putting all of your time into it. And if you spend all of this money, you will essentially have to do the same again and again and again. You will just spend your time and get money from it. But the best way how to actually make YouTube your business is to invest all of this money into acquiring new channels or acquiring a team that will run the current channel. The best way how I do it and how my students do it is to find key roles in the channel. It might be an editor, it might be script writer, it might be someone who makes the video ideas, or it might be even someone who is actually in the video. I would essentially rank all of these roles in the channel and hire people depending on how much time each role takes. For example, on one of my channels, I spent so much time on editing, and the first thing that I did with the first revenue from the channel was just hiring an editor. This way you essentially free up your time and you get more time for yourself. You get more time for you to work on new channels or on this channel. And you should always keep in your mind that your time is the most valuable thing in the whole company. And yeah, it might be a hit in the beginning. For example, if you make $500 from the first month and you spend $300 on your new editor, you will leave with only $200. But it's still okay because you will free up so much of your time, and this time you can make more money from this free time than you would make from making these videos, from editing these videos, or doing any other work on the channel. So by now you probably see the end goal. The end goal is that the whole channel is run by these people that you've hired. They make all of the videos, they can even post them, and you basically oversee the whole process and make the main decisions. You maybe get in and say something if the channel isn't working really well, or maybe if you get some great new idea, but you shouldn't be the one making the videos for every single channel. And you would be surprised how many people wait such a long time until they give part of their work to somebody else. That's the biggest mistake that you can make on YouTube or in any other business, because this will cost you so much time that I can't even explain how much time you will save. On my channel you can also find videos about hiring people and how to actually make YouTube your business. So if you want to learn more, subscribe and check out more of my videos.